Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue while launching the Ghost Recon Wildlands. You are getting a black loading screen. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, I highly recommend to update your BIOS. And to do so, open up the web browser and simply type in update BIOS and then type in the name of your motherboard. For example, MSI, and then hit the enter key. Open the official website, and from here you simply choose the product lineup, like it is graphic card or motherboard, then the category, product type, and then model. After hitting the search option, you will find the BIOS driver. Simply download them and then update your BIOS. Once your BIOS is updated, try to play the game to fix out the issue. If this fails to work out, in next step you need to bypass the easy entry cheat, and to do so, here I have a website. From here you need to download the bypasser for easy entry cheat. So scroll down and right over here you will find wildland.zip file. Click on the link and save the zip folder onto your desktop. Now open the zip folder. Right over here you will find two files. You need to replace these files from the game directory. So open the game directory by right clicking on the game, manage, browse local files. First of all, open easy entry cheat folder. Here you will find a file easy entry cheat x64. Press the F2 key and rename it to .bak and hit enter key. Now copy the first file and paste right over here. After doing so, click on the Wildland folder, and here also you will find a file with an run game. Again, press F2 key to rename it, and at the end type in .bak. Now copy the second file and again paste right over here. Once the file is pasted, go ahead, close the directory and hit the play option, and hopefully this will fix out the issue. Although if this also failed, in third step, right click and again browse the game directory and you will find easy entry cheat folder. Simply go ahead, right click and delete this folder. Once it is deleted, right click on the game, go to properties, click on install files, and you will find the option of verify integrity of game files. Click on it. It will take some time, and once the integrity is verified, all the corrupted files will be reinstalled, and in turn hit the play option, and this will completely fix out your loading screen while launching the game. So that's all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.